Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Zenless Zone Zero game on your PC. So let's get started right away. In order to download this game on your PC, you will need to install the Epic Games Launcher first. So open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in epicgames.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Epic Games website. You can click on the download button at the top right corner to download the installer. And once you open it up, you can install Epic Games on your device. Then open up Epic Games Launcher and proceed forward with signing up to create a new account if you don't have one already, or log in using your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, just click on the search box from the store window. Then just type in Zenless Zone Zero and start your search. Once you find the game, click on it, and now you can see the game details. Click on the Get button to start the download, and click on the checkbox to agree with the terms and conditions. Then click on Place Order, and now you can click on the View in Library option and you will find the Zenless Zone Zero game. You can proceed forward with installing it by choosing your directory and then clicking on the Install button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Zenless Zone Zero game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.